So today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update install error 0x800f0983, which usually prevents Windows 11 from installing properly. So to get started, this issue happens when Windows Update fails to install the Windows 11 update. To fix it, first, go to Start menu, then open Settings, click System. On the right-hand side corner, scroll down and select Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall. This will begin the process of downloading and reinstalling the necessary update files. Then, click OK and Windows will start downloading and installing everything automatically. After the installation is complete, you may restart your PC, and once the PC is turned on, it will begin configuring your operating system with updated files. And that's it. This simple process should fix the error and let Windows install the update successfully.